Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to show you how to use reflective collars.
Hey guys, this is the reflective collar belt and these are the zip ties. So I would be telling in this video how to fix these zip ties on the reflective collar. So here, this is the lock system. So we have to take this zip tie. So this plain area will go like this, meaning it will be on the outer part, and then you take it from below here, do this, and this sound comes and you lock it over here. Same thing goes again. You take this, the plane is on the top, you go down, bring it up, put it inside and lock it. Same thing with the third one. And you make sure that you tighten all the three are tightened properly. This is how you get it together. It's locked. Locked it tightly. You've locked it tightly and then you cut the extras and it's done. That's it.